Guys, here I am at Dollar General in the toy section. So let's see what they have. Okay, so we have some Halo, Call of Duty, and some of these action figures. These are some cards. This is a wooden puzzle. These wooden puzzles are cute. I like these. So look at this one, the animals. And how much are those? I don't think I see a price, but the tag says $3.50 here. Then this wooden puzzle for $5.50. Those are nice. LOL surprise. And down there you have some balls, football. Your little cap guns over here and your bow and arrow. There you have some little cars over here. Like here you have the metal cars, the Hot Wheels. Okay, and then you have, well, you have all these. Then the marble ones are right here. So you have this kind, that kind, that truck over there, that truck, the monster trucks. They have all, these are Avengers. That's nice. Okay, so then you have these. That's nice. That's $7 and that's a new item. And then you have some of those action figures on the bottom. That's U.S. Army. That's pretty neat. I like those. And here's some Power Rangers. That's what it says. Yeah, Power Rangers. So here's the blue one, here's the yellow one, and there's the red one. Here's Marvel, Thor, and then Captain Marvel. And then over there you have Play School Heroes, Toy Story 4, Black Panther over there, and then you have some kind of collectible figure in these, $3.75. Then you have the little Paw Patrol figures. These are $1, guys. Look at these. And then look, you have Forky. I absolutely love that movie. I don't have little kids, but I want to go see that movie, guys. These are like $8.50, even though they're cute. Look at these. Look at this one. Okay, so then you have some more military figures over here, some more cars, and here's Mr. Potato Head for $5. Then you have some more princess items over here. Guys, that's pretty awesome. Color by number, Tangle, the color stickers, and this is the kitty dough, the Play-Doh, and this is the coloring activity kit. And these are stickers. Scratch it for $1. These are $1, guys. Then you have the Play-Doh, the Wonder Dough for $1.95. Then you have this what is that? Batman, some kind of toy. Minnie's car, and there's Minnie. Isn't she adorable? $5. So then you have some more of these toys, and here's a baby rattle. And then what are these? These are squishy minis. Look how cute that is. This is Elmo. Oh no, that's not a squishy. This is a squishy. This is just Sesame Street action figure. Then you have this Wonder Dough. That's $1. And then you have this Sludge. That's $1. Mad Lab bulb. And here's this globe ball. And here's some dinosaurs. Here's some Poodoo, Alien Force, Mermaid. Then you have some stickers over here, some Play Money, and some Grow capsules. Then you have these Ninja. Then you have these Police Heroes. Then you have some dinosaurs and some balls and marbles. And then over here you have your word search, your coloring books, your puzzles, crossword puzzles. That's really nice. So if you come over here, guys, you have these rainbow balls. Then you have this Baby Alive doll. Then you have these twins. Isn't that adorable? You have the twins. Those are $6. Then you have some play slime. That's pretty big. You have this 3-ball set for $5 for ages 3 and over. Then you have the Double Trouble Bubbles for $5. You have some Frisbees, and you have some of these troll toys. These are all outdoor toys. What are these? This is Putty. Look how cute. It comes in like the citrus. Here's the lemon. Then you have some jump rope in here and some squishy ball. Everything's all mixed in, guys, so I'm just showing you what I can reach for. And you have some prayer bear. Look how cute. Is this a prayer bear? Well, that doesn't look like a prayer bear. Let's see. Is this this one's the prayer bear. Isn't that cute? Let's see.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord listen to keep. Your love be with me through the night and wake me with the morning light.
Oh, amen. I love that. It's so cute. I'm tempted to get that for me, but this is definitely not a prey animal. This is a monster plush for $5. Okay, so then they have some of these Imagine ink with the marker. Then you have some of these blasters for outside. And they have the Baby Alive toy over here with the little bottle. I used to play with that when I was a kid. And then here's the crayons, guys. And here's the chalk for outside. And some more of these outdoor toys. Here's the pool stuff. Okay, isn't that nice? The goggles and all of the pool and inflatable stuff and the vests. And even the pools themselves for $13. That's pretty neat. And then what are these? Keep cool for hours. I never seen this. I never seen that. So that's $5.95. Then here are your goggles, and here's some flip-flops over here. Some more sand toys over here. Look at these flip-flops, they're so cute. And then you have those camel ones, and then here are your beach towels, guys. So much fun, right? Thank you for coming with me to Dollar General, guys, to take a look and stroll through this store, and I'll see you in the next video.